There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love, and this place could be much brighter than tomorrow.
And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place you fear there's no harbor sorrow.
There are ways. Lives together, if you care enough for to live in, make a little space, make a better place.
Heal the world, make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot die. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving.
If we try, we shall see, in a bliss we cannot feel. Fear or dread, we stop resisting and start living.
That it feels that always love enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better world.
Heal the world.